Alright, YouTube viewers and eBay buyers, here we have this 48-inch Montgomery Ward's vintage industrial ceiling fan, cast iron motor, wood blades. It's in overall condition. A little scratch up on the bottom of the motor, as you can see. And I think one of these blades is starting to delaminate. Which one was it? Okay, I'm not. This guy. Okay, so I didn't have it. I don't know if you can see it that well. That side. This side's coming undone. This side, I believe, already has lost there. But overall, it's a good fan. See if we can get a look at that label. It's right here. I can't see Montgomery Wards in there, but it does say Montgomery Wards. Alright, let's go ahead and test it. We have it on a variable speed control. Let's go ahead and put it on low. Those fans controls pretty nice. This is just so the fan does not come off of control. So we can go to medium speed around there. Go straight high. As you can hear, there's quite a good amount of air. Fairly well balanced. And run silent. For 25 to 30-year-old fan, not bad. Again, just spin down. Bearings are in good condition. Hot spin down, I'll just take a moment to say if anyone's looking for certain fans, I do a lot of fan pickups and stuff like that. And I usually sell my stuff up on eBay. Usually more vintage ceiling fans, Hunter originals, cast iron motors, stuff like that. Anything that's good quality. I mean, I'll sell some of the cheaper junk if I end up with it somehow. But most of the good stuff I usually keep and sell. I'd be keeping this one, but I already have two new in-box ones, so I don't need another one. The only reason I got this is from my friend. He picked it up. I was like, I guess I'll take it. So it was nice of him. And it can be yours. The badges are a little scratched up on one of them, or two. The blades aren't the best, but I mean, it's once again, it depends on if you're looking at close. It definitely would be a good fan as is. You could definitely restore it if you want to. But it's a very good fan. Once again, it's Montgomery Ward's 48-inch ceiling fan, known as a spinner with wood blades. And for anyone who just watches my videos, it's in this format because this one is going on eBay. I also do local pickup if you live in the state of Florida. Thanks for watching.